Because the commission itself has been indicted. The commission has been found to be very wanting in terms of their conduct of these just concluded elections. So therefore, you're saying that a number of the officials of the commission should be sent home. Some of them should be investigated and prosecuted for the kind of heinous crime that they committed in these last elections. Their names are known. You mentioned some of their names, and you find the names in the statement which you're going to give you now. You say that these officials should not conduct elections. And therefore, we are saying that we are not ready to participate in elections on the 17th of October without legal and constitutional guarantees, because you could not do a mistake twice and expect to get different results. We know exactly what's transpired in these last elections. We know what the IEBC did, and we know that if you were to go back, there will be no different results.